We make hits in the studio nightly. Be out trying to get this money. We take trips in the winter in jet planes. The clouds where it's sunny. We got mommy on the dance floor, grind to the beat, tipsy off the bubbly. But at the end of the day, we friggin' to play. I'm trying to pin the tail on the donkey.
This is a Perrier Rosé, look like Picasso, painted on the bottle. We throwing money, we looking like Lotto. I could cover chicks with cheese like nachos. Fly out the cold, land in the heat. New York to Miami Beach. I live a life of a hood star, rock star without the guitar. Got 'em all rubbing they bush bra. Got 'em all shaking they tush like I'ma give 'em a taste of the good life. But I give 'em a taste of the good liquor, a taste of the good bud. Next thing you know, she be tasting my good I get money, be quiet. You talking to the Jolly Green Giant. I see it, I like it, I buy it. Baby, I'm flying in a pilot, flying at his highest, climbing.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Greg, also known as Cash is King. Yeah, what up? So you see, we out here. We out here, Miami Beach, South Beach. Took a little trip, fly out the cold, land in the heat. New York to Miami Beach. And I'm making this so you can empower yourselves. This is not a flooded city. It's not a cold city. I'm not telling you to clap for me. I'm here to tell you, you know, what you need to be doing. So what you need to do is go to www.nomore925ever.net. That's no more 925, the number is 925ever.net. You're also going to go to www.wakeupnowpaid.com. www.wakeupnowpaid.com, and you're going to see how I'm able to more easily, you know, generate this type of income that I'm generating without the hassles of trying to blog and beg people for $25. I mean, it's pretty ludicrous. I'm not even going to get into that right now. But you see what it is. This is real. I'm transparent. Go through the other videos in my channel and you're going to see how real these opportunities are. And, you know, maybe you can join me out here. And it's not going to stop on South Beach. It's gonna go to the other beaches of the world. Signing off. I'm going to enjoy myself. Nice evening. It's warm. And, guys, it's time to wake up. It's time to be closed on Mondays. Come on, get real, get with it. You've seen my success for the last year. Everything is here for you. Do it. Just do it. I'll see you later.